These are the mushrooms. Oh, I've ripped them up and cut them. Yep, the white Pleurotus oyster mushrooms. I've also made some fresh homemade almond milk. I didn't put it through a milk bag. I just put it in like this, raw. And over here, I'm gonna put some gluten-free flour because I don't like normal flour. And in the flour, I will put some cumin, ground up cumin, some cinnamon, and some garlic powder. So the method is you have to take a mushroom, coat it in flour, coat it in the almond, and then coat it again. After this, it's ready to fry. Time to fry. Careful. Yeah, I put about 2 cups of oil in there, so it's a lot of oil to submerge them completely. And make them in small batches.